Welcome to a luxury living experience like never before. Serene Heights, Nathia Gali, fully serviced one-bed apartments designed for those who opt for the finer things in life. Our apartments are designed with a modern touch, offering an ambiance that perfectly complements the serene landscape of Nathia Gali. With every amenity you could ask for, these apartments are perfect for those who value comfort and style. But that's not all. As an apartment owner, you'll have access to a world-class winter resort right outside your doorstep, with activities like roller coasters, zip lines, mini golf, archery, ice skating, and rock climbing. Our resort is the perfect place to unwind, have fun, and make memories. And for those who crave adventure, we offer a chartered helicopter ride service, a first of its kind in Pakistan that will take you on a breathtaking journey over the snowy mountains of Nathia Gali. And the best part? We offer flexible payment plans to make owning your dream apartment a reality. As an apartment owner in Serene Heights, your property keeps continuously appreciating in value. Not just that, let your apartment generate passive income year-round through profit sharing. Now you grow as we grow. So what are you waiting for? Invest in your future and start living the life you deserve. Serene Heights, Nathia Gali. Unwind in style, live the luxury. A project of DM Consortium and Park Asia Group.